Yeah. One's a female, one's a male.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, that's not what you're pointing out, huh? It's just...
2 different plugs.
All I know is I've been home for 7.5 seconds and all I heard upon opening the box of spaghetti was no bueno. And he was more excited to see the box at the door than me at the door. But that's a story for another day.
Yep. Much for that. How do I fix that problem?
Well, I suggested different adapter.
Yeah, but how do I look up a different adapter?
Can't we just Google a wiring harness adapter and then find whatever is compatible? Day 2 of...
No, if it's the newer motor.
Oh, the one that you just pulled yesterday?
Shit.
But that's not what you bought it for. But you can still keep it, right?
This one works for the other motor.
So you're gonna keep it for that one? You're gonna end up doing the same exact thing, right?
Yeah, but I don't know if the other motor is a 05.
Uh-huh.
So this should fit the other motor. So now I'm wondering if I need to get for this one.
So the wiring harness didn't work out.
Huh?
Huh?
You don't know that yet.
Oh.
We still
It may or may not fit in the new engine that you just brought home.
may not.
So he moved on to motor stand. Pittsburgh? Isn't that the one with the recalls?
That's why I got it. Because I like to live my life on the edge.
Oh God, okay.
You know?
Last thing we need is an engine to fall off of that thing while you're doing whatever you're doing with it.
This is why I refuse to accept your...
Opinion?
Yep.
Yeah, and he's not lying because I tried to come up with solutions for his wiring harness and he wasn't listening to me, so...
Yeah, it's just... That's how it is with these things. Figure it out, I guess. You know?
I guess.
Just gotta figure it out.
Which engine are you putting on that? The newer one? So you could like clean it and stuff?
Yeah, I should have got this... Probably should have got this a while ago. But I get it.
Maybe make your life a little easier?
Yeah. So I messed up right there. That's alright.
Update. A question has come upon him. Can I or can I not put this aluminum, what is it? Aluminum. You call it an aluminum block?
Block.
Can I or can I not put this aluminum block onto this engine stand? Now me, I don't know anything about what he's talking about, but I was like, you know what? That's a great question because it's aluminum. He said something about an alloy. So we Googled it. What did the answer give you? Do as you please. Okay. By the way, if anybody lives in the state of Washington and is having a hard time working in their garage right now, 10 out of 10 would recommend. It's like a sauna in
You
here.
probably should open the garage because we're gonna fucking get poisoned.
We're gonna get poisoned with the fumes.
Yeah.
Probably not a good idea around a flame.
Not that.
Oh.
Propane gas.
Oh yeah, huh? Does that put out carbon monoxide?
No, I'm taking chances.
If all of a sudden we start feeling sleepy, we should probably take that as a sign of bullshit.
Drop to the floor.
With no sign, nothing leading up to it. Anyways, what are you doing now that you have the second motor that you have brought home on an engine stand? Cleaning it up?
Shit doesn't go inside the motor.
So shit doesn't go inside of it?
We don't want shit in it.
What kind of shit would go in there?
Dirt,
And oil and stuff?
metals.
Oh, metals.
I don't like that.
Also, you got the wiring harness today and you were super excited. You were more excited to see the wiring harness than you were me, but that's okay. But then you were quickly disappointed. Why is that?
It didn't come with the adapters to hook up to the cylinder or to the fuel injectors.
The fuel injectors?
So now I have to figure out if I should return this harness or I just need to get the adapters.
If you can buy the adapters by itself?
Yeah, they have them available.
That was my suggestion, by the way. I suggested that probably 5 times and then stopped and gave up when he wasn't responding to me. But now he's thinking about it. So you just gotta plant the seed of thought, you know?
Yes, ma'am.
It's hard out here.
Can do all the thinking. You know?
This is why I come into play. This is how I come into play. I'm the other side of the brain sometimes and he's the other side of the brain. You can't do it all, you know? You can't problem solve everything, you know?
Correct.
Good job, Jamila. What'd you say?
I just don't know how I didn't come up with that idea first, so I don't have to give you all that credit.
If there's one thing that I know about you, you will not admit to anything to not give me too much satisfaction. Crickets. That means that he knows what I'm saying is the truth. I go inside for 2 minutes to make lunch for tomorrow and coffee for the morning. And I come out to, I'm gonna return the motor stand. The engine stand? The motor stand? I don't know, it's getting returned now. Why is that?
I don't think I'm gonna return it.
Oh, you're not gonna return it?
Because I'm using it for the rest of my shit. Pretty sure I'm gonna need it. If I return it, I'm gonna be like, fuck, why did I return it?
Are you gonna use it for things that aren't motors, or gonna eventually have a motor that can work with?
Yeah, because I got some more motors coming in.
This is why the projects don't stop.
You're gonna call me the Vortex top guy. Technically, that's what they are. They just call it LF, just the Vortex. I don't know why they call it LF when it's a motor coming out of the truck. But I don't understand it, but this is what it is. You know?
So the verdict is you're keeping the engine stand.
Yeah, I just figure out where I'm gonna put it.
God. Well, here's the engine, not on the stand.
There's gonna be space once you put that motor inside the truck.
Gonna work on that this weekend, I imagine.
I'll be satisfied once the motor is in it. That way we just do the little miscellaneous stuff, like the wiring and the fuel system. That could be done after. Take more time. Because apparently I have to get the right harness for it.
So the wiring harness and the engine stand were not on your side today.
Yeah, the problem with the wire harness is that it's not hooking up to the injectors. The wire harness might work, it's just not plugging into this different plug. Have to get the plugs for this stuff to make it work.
Nothing you can't achieve, nothing you can't handle.
No, I was just figuring it out. Everything is possible. Somebody put it in there. It wasn't just born in there. Somebody put it in there, so I just gotta figure out what that somebody did to make it work, you know? And if somebody did it, why can't I? You know?
Correct.
So we're gonna make it work. OBS, pretty much the motor's already in it. You didn't show the motor yet? You haven't?
Do you want to show what it looks like right now? Okay, see what you have accomplished here. Yeah, it didn't look like this last time when I showed it.
Yeah, so pretty much it's all in. All the big stuff is in. Motor, tranny, drive line is already hooked up. Motor mount's already hooked up. Radiator. Everything is just all the miscellaneous things. Wire harness and fuel system.
Looks so clean. It looks clean. Good job.
You could look clean.
I can't with you.
Hey, this is for the gas pedal. I gotta hook this one up inside the firewall to hook it up to the pedal because I can't use this one because this one ties into the throttle body. So this is already, the big stuff is already done on this. Now I'm gonna jump into that because I'm gonna have to wait on parts for this.
You're talking about the white truck.
This one, same thing. Vortex, automatic transmission. Pretty much I'm gonna do the same thing as that as I start ordering the parts that I need. Hopefully I don't order the wrong parts again. Because that's a setback. I gotta get info on how to do the swap on that. Because that one's gonna be a little bit more difficult. Just because it's a Ford and I'm pretty sure that Ford doesn't want a Chevy motor in it. So it's gonna fight me.
Well,
we're gonna get it in there.
yeah. I like the confidence.
I just gotta get the motor mounts, brackets for it, and just fucking throw it in there. I'm probably gonna change the intake because this is a drive-by-wire. The other one that has the cable by wires.
I like how you talk to me like I know what you're talking about.
I'm not talking to you, I'm talking to
Okay.
This is drive-by-wire, and I think I'm gonna go with a different intake. That way it's drive-by cable. I don't know, I got the pedal and everything for it, but I think it's gonna be a headache getting that fucking pedal working. It's gonna be like the third time doing it, so. And it's been a while. But we'll get it in there.